Welcome to the installation guide for 48V Telecom Lithium Battery. Before starting the installation, please read the safety precautions in the product manual, prepare the necessary tools and materials, and disconnect all power sources to ensure safety. Install the battery indoors, and make sure the location is away from fire sources, and free from any flammable or explosive materials. Unbox the product and check that all components match the packing list. If there are any discrepancies, please contact your distributor. In modern society, stable communication is essential. LEOCH 48V Telecom Lithium Battery provides a fast and reliable backup when the main power supply fails, keeping the base station running and ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. According to the product manual, ensure the ground is level. Place the battery modules into the rack from bottom to top. Make sure the structure is stable and secure to prevent tipping. Once secured, follow the diagram to connect the battery's positive and negative terminals to the breaker. Then connect the communication cables to the converter. This video demonstrates the physical connection process. Please adjust based on your specific site conditions. First step, connect the communication cables from bottom to top. Second, connect the positive cables each battery's positive terminal to the positive bus bar. Third, connect the negative cables each battery's negative terminal to the negative bus bar. Fourth, power on each battery and configure the dip switch for parallel operation. Assign unique addresses to each battery module, using the dip switches on the BMS to avoid address conflicts. Refer to the table above for dip switch definitions. Once all the parameters are normal, the battery group is ready for operation. Finally, we'll demonstrate the remote firmware upgrade feature. As long as both the battery pack and the management device are on the same local network, LAN, you can perform remote upgrades, making management smarter and more convenient. Congrats! Your LEOCH 48V Telecom Lithium Battery is now successfully installed. For further assistance, please contact our technical support or after-sales service. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a great experience with our product.